In section 2 of the review, we're working on reference angles. Now, reference angle is the degree measure from the terminal side of the angle to the closest x-axis, and it's always a positive number between 0 and 90 degrees. So let's look at the first one, 160 degrees. So I'm going to sketch me a quadrant here, a set of quadrants. Now I'm going to measure 160 degrees. So this is 160 degrees. The closest x-axis is here, that's 180 degrees. So my reference angle is going to be the difference between 180 degrees and 160 degrees. Now I stuck it in absolute value because the reference angle can never be a negative number. So this just turns out to be 20 degrees. So my reference angle for point A, 160 degrees, is 20 degrees. Let's do 350. Once again, I'm going to sketch me a plane. And I'm going to measure 350 degrees. Now 350 is 10 degrees below. That's going to be about here. This angle here is close to the positive x-axis, which is 360 degrees. And this is 350. So the reference angle is going to be 360 degrees minus 350 degrees, which will be 10 degrees. So the reference angle for 350 degrees is 10 degrees. Now we can solve this without drawing these axes here. We just have to recognize that 215 is closer to 180 than it is to 360. So for point C, we're just going to write this as 180 degrees minus 215 degrees. And this turns out to be a negative 35 degrees. But since we're taking the absolute value, it becomes a positive 35 degrees. So the reference angle for 215 degrees is 35 degrees.